Okay, this is the question. Everybody asking, Phil, how to make money in crypto, what to do, what to buy. There are many different ways to make money in crypto. And I'm going to mention only few where you can go and do your research. Of course, nothing here is financial advice. And also do some work. If you think I will do the work for you, I'm already doing halfway the work for you, 70%. But the last 60%, sorry, 40%, 30%, you need to finish that work. Okay, so let's go, let's start, okay? So example, meme tokens. Sometimes I'm bringing you meme tokens. Do I'm great in meme tokens? No. So maybe I'm not the great person to watch for meme tokens yet. However, I brought you Portfolio Masters. So who is Portfolio Masters? Well, it's a great guys who finding low crypto market cap gems. Okay, they just did 600-700% in profit if you follow them, what they buying and what they selling. I did a full video for them. It's called Portfolio Masters. Okay, watch the video, by the way. Next one, do you want to learn yield farming? Well, just go and join UIG group, Underdog Investor Group. They have a free freaking course for hours and hours there. If you want to join the paid, make sure you say CryptoPhil sent you, because we're both going to get some kickback. It's a great way to learn how to yield farming, and I made so many different ways how to yield farming, you know, like how to make percentage on Sui, on Orca, on Solana, and I'm going to make on Ethereum and BTC. Don't forget, if you go and join the first group what I mentioned, Portfolio Masters, make sure you use my link, because you're going to get 20% off for the next couple of weeks time, I think to the end of the month. Okay, next one, what about copy trading? Do you want to trade? I don't know to trade. Well, I'm doing copy trading. I just find a guy, I did a video last week, I'm going to leave the link somewhere here or here. He did over 5,500% profit in the last 90 days. How crazy it is. How good is going to be. He's going to go down to zero tomorrow. I don't have clue, but I'm willing to take some risk, okay? Next one, how many crypto nodes there are? I brought you so many good crypto nodes out there, okay? Many galaxies, Delicium, Sonorous, now Navy AI, I don't even know. There's DBank, there's so many, DBoard, sorry, there's so many crypto different nodes. Make sure you watch them, see which one you like, and only put risk capital. Next one, I just did great AMA, and the video is coming the next few days. It's called Cryptorium or something. I cannot pronounce that name, sorry. It's writing review. You write review for crypto project you want, you like, and you're getting freaking paid, and you're getting very seriously paid, and the token is not even out yet. That's even the best thing. Do you know what you need to spend? No money, just your knowledge, your time. So again, you need to do the work there. I can bring to you, but you need to do the rest of the work. Do you know how many projects I brought to you from the crypto conference just in Dubai? Probably over 30-40 different projects, okay? And I still have videos to come in the next couple of weeks time, okay? They just watch them, learn, and see what kind of great projects they are. I brought you gems, freaking. You can get in like on pretty much on the pre-sale, and the price double in a month time. Just go and sell them if you want. Just go and hold them. Do whatever you want. You just double your money. Also, I just did AMA, the video is coming probably next week, okay, with some guys. It's like you have free trading course. You can go there and learn to trade for free. Isn't that crazy? It's called like social platform something, I don't know. I'm talking with people every single day, and I'm trying to bring you the best quality project out for you. All right, that's about it, that's enough. And also, don't forget to watch my donation video. How many YouTubers you will see from the crypto space going and helping the poor people in India, Philippines, and Africa? I cannot see a lot. Maybe just myself, to be honest, what is very sad. All right, if you want to support me, the address is down. This will be great. Thank you so much. Make sure you spread the video. And again, do your work, okay? I can only do a part for you. I'm not the guy who say, oh, go and buy this one and sell this one. No, that's up to you when you want to buy, when you want to sell, but make sure you buy in red and sell in green, all right? Because most of us doing opposite. All right, love you all. See you in the next one. Goodbye.